Daily News Capsule by Shiksha. India jumped to the 48th position in the Global Aviation Safety Ranking by the International Civil Aviation Organization. The position is the highest ever spot attained by the country. India was in the 102nd position 4 years ago in the ranking. The increased ranking denotes that India has improved its air safety processes. Advanced aviation safety in home skies also permits Indian carriers to expand faster in overseas markets as permissions for new services are easier to get. Singapore has been ranked at the top of the list, followed by the UAE at the second and South Korea at the third position. Nagpur Metro has successfully created a Guinness World Record by constructing the longest double-decker viaduct, which is 3,140 meters. The project has already backed records from Asia Book and India Book. Double-decker viaduct carries highway flyover at the first level and metro rail at second level, making it a three-tier transportation system with the existing highway at ground level. 1.5 kilograms of medicines was delivered with the help of a drone to the remote areas in West Garo Hills district of Meghalaya. The drone took 36 minutes to deliver the payload from Jengzil Subdivisional Hospital to Pedaldolba Primary Health Center, which is almost a 3 hours of road distance from each other. The Jengzil drone station is first drone station in the country, which will be used for delivering up to 25 kilograms of medicines, anti-snake venom vials and other healthcare necessities. In future, such services will also be used for transporting seeds and agricultural produces to the farmers and markets respectively. Singer Zubeen Garg was awarded the inaugural Sukapha Samannay Bota at a cultural event in Sonari, Teraideo district. The award has been instituted by the Som Jatiyatabadi Yuva Chatra Parishad, Egypt. It consists of a citation, Phulam Gamosa, a memento and a check of 1 lakh rupees. That's all for today's news capsule. Find us on our Telegram channel for the content.